Why are you taking selfies?
I'm nice. I actually do look prettier.
Slate it. Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Are you gonna do the intro with me or what?
Yeah.
I have my boyfriend back here on my channel again. If you guys want to check out the series that we have going on, all the videos that my boyfriend is in with me, check out the playlist right here somewhere.
Yeah, right.
Today, we are gonna make him try and follow one of my makeup tutorials. So you guys know that trend has been going around. I did a video trying to follow Sylvia Nygaard's tutorial and it was a lot of fun. Let's see if you can follow mine.
This is light work.
I think it'll be funny.
I'm very good at following instructions. I'm very good at everything I do. Not stressing about this.
I'd beg to differ on literally all those things.
This might be my first time actually trying to put on makeup.
Yourself, yeah.
Like I never actually tried to do it. Like
You're
before it's all
right.
troll, like this time I actually have to come through with it.
Yeah, you gotta try. You gotta
Yeah, I'm
actually
down.
try. So now we're really gonna put his skills to the test. I feel like you should have learned a lot through all those different videos that we've done. So
I don't
we're
really
gonna
pay
see.
attention.
So I have the video right here for him to watch and try and follow along, and I'll just try and stay on the side, not say anything, and let him do his thing. So yeah, take it away, babe. It's your channel now. You're the beauty guru.
Let me get into this mood. Schmood. Where's the video? This is all I need in front of me? Why do I have 3 of the same
I
bottles?
didn't know what would be your shade, so you gotta try and figure
Oh
it
yeah,
out.
that's
But
obvious.
you
It was a concern.
All of the city why can't I say that? She black.
This is beauty guru comedy, guys.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, so I know you're gonna talk for a minute.
That are very
I'm
affordable.
just gonna skip.
Do you know what the video's about?
I see the title, Best Drugstore Products for Everyday Makeup. Here we go.
So starting with primer, I have here the e.l.f. Mineral.
Okay, where is that? Oh, this is it. I feel like this stuff I don't even need to see because I think you're just gonna spray it. We're doing exactly what she does.
So I'll normally apply a primer like
doing
this
T-zone?
in my T-zone or where I have the
Before you even
largest
said it.
pores.
What does this even do? Who knows? Like Sylvia said, guys, we're just gonna take this, apply it to our T-zone, which is the forehead, the nose. I know what the T-zone is. I've seen enough videos. And where her pores are. We have different faces, different shapes. But pores are always pores, you know? The pores are always pores. Always are around the same area. We're doing our cheeks, we're doing our forehead, our nose, like that. If she did anything else, she's a snake, because that's all she showed on camera. So.
Here's the Infallible Pro Matte from
Infallible. This is like, I feel like I'm building shit because literally this is step-by-step tutorial and she even laid everything out for me. Where is that?
I didn't give you the exact same foundation because I didn't have your shade in that one, so I gave you
That's the demi matte.
another drugstore foundation that you can use as a substitute.
Uh-huh. There we go. Oh, there we go. If I know myself, I know I'm not sun beige, that's too light. Coffee's too dark, I'm honey. Did I just crack it? I don't know if I'm opening it right, but whatever. If I see what she does is one on the forehead, one on the nose, cheeks, and then she like smudges a little. And my face is bigger than hers, so I'm gonna need a lot of that. This is not my skin tone, but oh shit. Okay, we're gonna blend 2 colors. So like no makeup artists are doing that. I'm just recovering. If you go light and dark, it's gonna make the perfect color. Okay, yo, can it come out today? I'm blending. Okay, so now she's getting the beauty blender.
shade range 2. They actually
Is this the beauty blender?
More shades. So if you can't find your shade in this foundation, that one is quite similar. It is medium to full coverage as well. It's supposed to
I don't need
mattify.
to move my hair out of the way. And I know girls do it on the neck, so I don't even need to watch the tutorial. Cover up my quadruple chin there. And the creases.
I would knock yourself out.
This is like really orange, to be honest. All right, next step done. What do I do with the rest of this? I don't know about that.
It definitely covers up any dark circles. Definitely covers up any dark circles. And
Yeah, that's not a natural skin tone.
That's my spray tan, hater.
That's enough. That's good. This is like a different color, but whatever. This does what? Conceals? Like pimples? I don't even have those. Like what?
Yeah, you did it right. You did it right.
Why is it like doing that? Why is it not blending? What is going on right now? Can I just wipe? Wiping is more effective. I don't know why girls beat their face. Oh, that looks terrible.
usually because I like my under eye to be a little bit brighter.
Gotta do the under eyes. We're
It is
baking,
so
guys.
finely milled and so good. So whatever's left over my beauty blender now, I'm gonna set the rest of my face.
This is
very
easy.
oily.
I'm
This
just
way
copying
you
what
can
she's
kind
doing. I always crease. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're just gonna leave it like this.
Brow Precise Micro Pencil. It's got a spoolie on the end of it. Imitate small hairs. You guys know that I prefer brow
Where's the
pencil
color?
over
This is not the right side.
You just wiped off your foundation on your nose.
Yeah, it didn't need to be there. My brows are pretty nice already.
Brow pencil that is really, really good too.
Can imitate a few brows.
That one's actually
My brows are nice. I don't even need this tutorial on the brows, to be honest.
because of that precise tip. And then the product blends great using
yeah,
a
we're
spray
blending
brush. So both.
Okay, that's nice. Next.
I'm just going to use the concealer to just make sure we can get a nice blank canvas and also carve out my brows with this.
I don't know why we're doing that to our eyes though, but it is what it is. Like that. Oh my god, I have hooded eyes. This is why. I literally think that what she just told me to do ruined the whole makeup look. But yeah, we're gonna bake above here apparently. This is so itchy. I have to sneeze. There's too many powders! I hate makeup. Oh my god. Where's the beauty blender? Oh, that feels good.
Did I take a beauty blender?
No, you didn't, but this feels good. It feels good. I've been waiting to do the palette, guys. These colors are litty again.
So let's go in with the shade right here. We're gonna use that as our brow bone highlight. So now going in with this beautiful gold glow
Okay, oh, this is
shade.
going too quick. This is literally, my eyes have looked the same for the past 6 steps. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, but I do slay. You can tell I've never held a makeup brush.
I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. You can even apply this shade with your finger. It is just so neutral and gorgeous and kind of sheer, so you can't really mess this up.
You can't mess this up, you say.
Here, I'm gonna warm up that crease just a tad.
What? Yeah, we're gonna need to switch brushes.
This is also a shimmery shade though, so I don't want to overdo it. I just want to blend out
Blending!
the gold shimmer a little bit more with
Oh, there's so much powder in my face. Okay.
this deeper shade. And I'm just gonna bring that shade to my lower lash line and smoke it out a little bit.
Yeah, that's wavy.
Using this black shade right here with an angled brush. This is gonna help if you don't have lash extensions like I do. It'll help to thicken your lash.
This is a problem. Oh, that's pretty good. That's not bad. You can't even see it. I have hooded brows, but
Brows?
this is cringe to me.
No one told you to pull your eyelid out. Go like this.
Oh my god. This is a hack.
It's revolutionary.
This is
So
cringe.
this just adds.
Oh my god. I never knew I had so many hairs. Wow. Ah! Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
Adds volume and thickness.
That's so
It makes your
sticky.
lashes crazy fluffy. And bronzer. This one reminds me of.
What type of brush is that? Oh, this one. Yeah, this will do. What's this? He's just doing the cheeks here, so I feel like this is pretty easy. No, that's working. Down from here. That's nice. Yeah, we're just bronzing. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm slaying.
I really like the NYX baked blushes because they have a little bit of shimmer.
Look.
Coral kind of peach shade is really, really pretty for an everyday blush.
Cheeks look happy at all times.
I'm blending it all the way up to my hairline.
Bring it up to your hairline. I literally don't even know what I'm doing at this point.
So last up is lips.
Last up.
A lot of lip.
Can I get a lip pencil?
So this is the perfect shade for overlining your lips if you're similar skin tone to mine, just because it is so similar to my natural lip color.
Why did you give me this color? I'm just thickening my lips a little bit. I hope the lipstick makes me look nicer.
So let's apply that lip gloss.
Oh yeah. That's nice. And it tastes good too. Tastes like candy. Okay. That's nice. Look at that. Wavy. Last step, guys. I'm almost there. 2
shades there. I like to mix them.
We've put 6
And then
things right here, guys. 6. This is what makes my cheeks like shiny. My cheekbones, I don't even have bones. I just have fat on my face. Oh yeah, this is slating. This is Santa slating Oz. Is that it? Let me hear.
But if you do want to take it one step further and maybe have a little bit more money than $100 in your budget,
I don't.
you could set your face with the setting
yes.
spray. My drugstore favorite is from NYX, the matte finish spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using all of those.
That's what she just did. I have so much shit in my nose right now. There's so much dust and makeup and my hands are disgusting.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look.
I actually do look prettier. I could kill these makeup guru guys. James? Oh.
You coming for him?
James Charles, buddy. You have no idea, bro. Look at me. Come on. Like, I'm nice. Anyways.
You look good. I think you did pretty good. The eyes are a little you know, questionable. You kind of have a little bit of a black eye here.
Yeah, that's what I meant to do anyways.
So there you have it, my boyfriend following one of my makeup tutorials. I think he did a pretty good job. Was it harder than you thought it was gonna be? Because
That was easy.
a huge thank you to Charlie for being in yet another one of my videos. Make sure you go subscribe to his channels if you're not yet subscribed. He daily vlogs and has a bangin' main channel, so I'll link both of them in the description down below. We always film on his channels as well. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out these other videos of mine if you haven't seen them yet, and then hit the subscribe button right here if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.